basic maintenance. The Thetford slide out lubricant. Let's lube the rubber gaskets around the slide. Do this like once or twice a year just to keep everything clean, functioning well, and not wearing from the UV drying out the rubber. I'll show you how to put it on. Spray it on. And then just wipe it in, rub it in. You can see clear as day how it's lubricating the rubber for the slide. Now you're going to repeat this on the inside of the RV. When you close your slide like halfway, this rubber is going to fold the other direction. So on the inside of the RV, I like to just spray it on the cloth and then just rub it down with the damp cloth with the lubricant. Again, twice a year, lube these up. There's one on the top as well. Keeps everything in good working order.